Hey friends, in this video I am going to show you how to share a folder from host computer to Windows operating system installed in VirtualBox. In this video I am using Ubuntu operating system as host computer and Windows 7 is installed in VirtualBox. To access the transferred folder from Ubuntu operating system into Windows, we have to install some additional drivers from this guest additions CD image under the devices menu. So we have to insert this guest additions CD image and okay, virtual CD image is inserted, and then we have to install the application software from here. Okay, drivers has been installed. Now we have to reboot. Now we are going to transfer a folder from Ubuntu. I created a folder inside this download folder. Now we are going to share this folder with read and write permission in this Windows operating system. Here you can click the shared folders, add new folder, folder path, other, downloads, Windows folder, open, auto mount. Okay. I am going to eject this one, and under the networks we can see VirtualBox server, and here the folder has been shared from Ubuntu operating system to Windows. Now we can copy the files from VirtualBox to our main OS. Okay, file has been copied from VirtualBox to our Ubuntu operating system. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.